Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change underline color in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. We can see here mini slide and some text, image and shapes. Now we want to change the color of underline. At first, click inside the text box and select the text. Click and drag on our mouse. Now I am go to the home menu. Select the underline option, but we can see here not available the color option. Now I am go to the font option. We can see here open a font window. Now we can see here the color of underline. Now I am select the drop down menu and choose any color. You can add red color or more than color. Now I am select red and click OK. Now we can see we change the underline color very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.